G'day guys, welcome to another Patriot Outdoor video. Today we'll be looking at two of our premium tripods we have here at Patriot for less of the premium prices. As you can see, we have different models here. This is the IP40 and this is the IP65. Luan, could you tell us a little bit about the difference of the two?
Yeah, certainly. So the IP40 and IP65 actually refers to the length. So the IP40 is going to be 40 inches and then the IP65 is going to be 65 inches. So that's the main difference between the two. And then the IP40 also has a little bit of a smaller ball joint and the IP65 is a bit of a bigger ball joint. Yeah.
Okay, that's very good. As I can see also on both of them have a 32mm tube, and I also see a lot of carbon fiber and aluminum on both of them. Why would you say, why is it a good material to use towards like other tripods that are aluminum?
That's a good question. So actually carbon fiber and aluminum are both two very high-end quality materials. So both of them are very strong. So carbon fiber and then aluminum. And then the nice thing is obviously weight. So especially if you are doing a job where you're constantly on the move, or let's say you're at a big match for the PRS gentlemen or the NRL, where you constantly need to drag around your kit. So at the end of the day, weight is a big factor. So if the kit that you don't necessarily use as much, it's nice to have a little bit of a less weight on it. So you can move around more easier, and at the end of the day, you aren't as tired and you don't get tired as easily for carrying around heavy equipment.
Okay. Because what I've read is it can roll up to 30 kg
30
of
kgs.
weight.
Yeah.
So yeah, for a lightweight, especially a lightweight tripod like this, that's quite a lot.
Literally with the finger. So yeah, 30 kgs is actually quite a lot of weight. So once again, referring back to the guys doing varminting and PRS or competition shooting, 30 kilograms is a lot. So let's say if you're doing varminting, you've got your rifle, you've got a scope on, you've got a clip-on thermal or clip-on night vision scope. That at the end of the day, all of those accessories adds on weight. So it's a good thing that you can carry that heavy of a load on the tripod. And then especially the PRS or the competition guys, once again, they usually carry around a lot of kit on a tripod. So you've got your rangefinders, you've got your binoculars, your kestrels, all that sort of stuff. And then some of the guys actually have the sleeves here at the back as well. So yes, 30 kilograms is a lot for a tripod like this.
Especially for the price. I mean,
definitely.
If you compare this to a 30K tripod, you get a lot more from what you're paying for.
Yes, 100%. So yeah, especially in today's economy, we all know the economy is a bit against our South Africans. So not everyone has the budget to necessarily fork out a 30 grand. So yeah, these are coming in quite inexpensive if you're competing or comparing them, to the other more expensive brands on the market. Yes, definitely.
Cool. Well, there you have it, guys. If you guys want some more information on both of these models, you can check out our website. You can just type in Patriot Outdoors. It will take you straight to the website, and then yeah, you can order with us.
There we go.